Roger here. This is the final 1936 Plymouth rat rod build video ever, I promise you that. Had a lot of fun building a car over the last 3.5 years, but crashed it on autobahn A3 by Wurzburg 6 August 2017, and that was at 16:30 in the afternoon. Going well above 100 miles an hour with the LS3 motor, and this is what I picked up in Keller, Texas, probably about 3 months after that, 2 months after that, to kind of like build my new project. But let me show you what actually happened here. You'll see some pictures here following this of the actual crash scene and then the dismantling of a car. I basically spent 3 years putting together. The videos are all online on YouTube and my channel, and this is what I got left over right now. So basically I sliced the car on the uncrashed side, and I'm going to probably try to put that on the garage wall. But anyway, that's it from Plymouth rat rod build, Germany. Shit happens. I walked away from the accident, literally not even a scratch. I did have some x-rays done that evening because my ribs were hurting, but nobody got injured. The car is totaled. I harvested the LS3 motor out of it and a couple other things, and I'm here to talk about it. So take care, bye-bye, and if I got one piece of advice, don't go 100 plus miles an hour on the autobahn, especially when the trailer's out pulling in front of you. One of those camping trailers was actually the reason for the accident. Also, ganz kurz auf Deutsch gesagt, Autobahn A3, Unfall, 6. August 2017, Campingtrailer rausgefahren, aber shit happens. Ich bin heil rausgekommen, alle Beine noch, everything is good. Take care, bye-bye. Alright, so I'm okay. My ribs hurt a little bit, elbow hurts a little bit, bleeding a little bit from the finger. But this is it for my 36 Plymouth project. Darf ich mal kurz filmen? Ja, mir gehört die Kiste. That's it. That is a total fucking loss. But flipped 3 times, and that's it for the Plymouth with the LS3. So that's it for me. Autobahn 3 right after Wurzburg. Yeah. Shit happens. Fuck.
When you were in hospital, so bad for you.
All right, -1 motor. Und langsam stirbt der Plymouth. Shit. Aber ist gut so. Alright, that's the end of the Plymouth 1936 rat rod project. So I'll send some pictures right after this, but car is gone, it's totaled. I walked away from it, so that's the good thing. New project online, but man, that was a lot of work. I think this should be video number 35 if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful frame. And there it goes. And what's left right here is going to go in the garage. I actually cut it right down the center, and the suicide doors will open up, and there might be some beverages in there in the future. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye. Signing off from Rat Rod Plymouth project number 35. This is the final video.
Roger? Shit! That was a smoke bomb, baby! Get it, baby!
Oh, there's a problem with your drink.
It seems like it's too... You have to let some air out of my glass.
Hole in your glass.
Air out of my glass.
I'll fix you.
Alrighty.